Will Stellar reach $100? Before we dive into predicting the Stellar future and XLM price forecast, let's quickly sum up what awaits you in this video. First, we take a look at what is Stellar all about, in a quick rundown. Then we cover our own XLM price predictions and market XLM forecasts. We will also dip our toes into the far future of XLM and give our Stellar price predictions for 2021, 2025 and 2030. We will also answer some of the most common questions about XLM price targets and how high it can go, like will XLM hit $10 or will XLM reach $100 and similar. We also give our opinion if Stellar is a good investment at all, why could it succeed or fail. So, let's get down to business and start the thankless task of predicting Stellar future. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Secrets, a channel where we give daily updates about crypto, as we have announced a monthly giveaway of your favorite coins, so hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already to participate in the giveaway, and don't forget to click the bell icon and share your views with us in the comment section below. Watch to the end for more chances to win the huge amount of your favorite coin. Stellar Lumens is a cryptocurrency platform that focuses on remittance and cross-border payments. Stellar is aiming to be an open financial system that gives people of all income levels access to low-cost financial services. These services include, but are not limited to, remittances, micropayments, mobile branches, mobile money. In addition to these services, one very powerful feature of the network is their distributed exchange. Users can liquidate, exchange their funds for other cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies using the platform's exchange anchors. It is quite clear that cryptocurrency price predictions should be taken with a grain of salt, but there are factors to look out for that will almost certainly have a bearing on the future price of the wider cryptocurrency market. This includes the level and nature of regulations imposed in dominating cryptocurrency markets, the level of cryptocurrency adoption in the coming year and beyond, the level of growth in the cryptocurrency futures market, the utility of tokens and the ability of the underlying technology to solve real-world problems. All crypto fans and holders have been enjoying the last couple of months of 2020 and the start of 2021. Bitcoin smashed all resistance levels and kept setting new all-time highs. All altcoins followed suit and their value in dollars skyrocketed. Additionally, there were a couple of short but very profitable altcoins bull seasons that saw new and old altcoins surging, bursting through old all-time high records and setting new milestones. Stellar was one of those altcoins that is still to have its 5 minutes of fame where it outperforms Bitcoin and the rest of the market by a lot. Is that price surge going to happen, and can Stellar reach new all-time highs in 2021 is the question on mind of every current and potential XLM holder. Odds are that Bitcoin is not yet done with rampaging the bears, which consequently means that altcoins are set to see more bull runs in 2021. Should this be the case, we firmly believe that Stellar's current all-time high is destined to be broken. Stellar is bound to succeed, especially if we consider Stellar's fundamentals. The project has seen huge improvements on technological front, community growth was explosive, liquidity is abundant, real-world adoption, outside of crypto circles, is nearing. There were no major setbacks, no code deficiencies and exploitations, no conceptual flaws in its design, no team disputes or divisions, etc. The only dilemma is, when will Stellar shine in full form? Will it be in 2021, or will investors need to be armed with more patience? First part of 2021 has left a lot to be desired for holders, but earlier Stellar success from 2017-18 offered us a glimpse into Stellar's ability to create shockwaves through the crypto world and beyond. Majority of altcoins will fail. The majority of projects will fail. Some startups are created just to gather funds and disappear. Some would not handle the competition, but most are just ideas that look good on paper, but in reality, are useless for the market. Vitalik Buterin, co-founder of Ethereum, said, "There are some good ideas, there are a lot of very bad ideas, and there are a lot of very, very bad ideas, and quite a few scams as well." Let's see Stellar price prediction 2021. As a result, over 95% of successful ICOs and cryptocurrency projects will fail and their investors will lose money. The other 5% of projects will become the new Apple, Google or Alibaba in the crypto industry. Will XLM be among those 5%? Hard to tell, but probability for that is better than with most other altcoins, but still far from being a wrap. XLM is pinning most of their hopes on their partnership with IBM, which is one of the highlights of project's history to date. On the other side, the niche XLM is competing and is fiercely crowded with other top-notch crypto projects, most notably XRP. Since the race is considered by many to be a winner-takes-all, XLM is dancing on a razor-thin edge in an effort to capture the global market of payments and value transfers. Why will Stellar succeed? Why will Stellar XLM increase its price in the future? Well, most of articles on Stellar price prediction mention the IBM partnership. All their hopes are attached to IBM partnership. IBM's blockchain division has settled on using Stellar XLM as a cryptocurrency of choice for their payments infrastructure. IBM has partnered with many private and central banks in Asia, and the IBM-Stellar partnership is competing with Ripple and looking to replace SWIFT. Stellar is also upping their game in Middle East, focusing on Sharia compliance in order to win this Muslim-densely populated area. Moreover, Stellar Foundation is one of the wealthiest organizations in crypto, which could and should translate into accelerated development of Stellar ecosystem. There are also numerous technological features that put Stellar into a pole position to take over the baton from XRP and record an actual real-world utility and adoption. Here are some of the features worth highlighting. Interoperability. Stellar makes it very easy to create, send and trade digital representations of all forms of money and convert between them on a single network. This will eventually be the way to convert money and all kinds of assets, currency, stocks, gold, and so forth. Public and non-profit. If you think central banks are going to issue their CBDCs where the foundation taking care of the network is for profit, think again. Here again, Stellar aim for the stars and hits. I'd count many of the for-profit initiatives as unlikely to get any CBDCs released on them. Extremely cheap, fast transfer costs and scale. With Bitcoin transactions costing an arm and a leg, Stellar shines like starlight yet again. Even if XLM is to go up to $15, which I think it will over the next 4 to 5 years. Given it gets 5 to 6 CBDCs on the network in that time, the transaction cost will still be close to nothing. And with price surging, we have a solution to spam on the networks. It already handles millions of transactions, operations each day. The massive CBDC market and Metcalfe's law. Several countries are starting to move into or seriously consider CBDCs, and this will make the network extremely valuable over time. Not valuable because it's valuable, but valuable because it is extremely useful to people. Usefulness comes first and then value, and value and price are not the same. This is very easy to forget in today's crypto market. Energy efficiency. In the world, many people and governments are concerned with energy usage, and since Stellar is not a proof-of-work network, it is much more energy efficient. This matters and is likely to matter even more in the future. Why will Stellar XLM fail? An objective article on Stellar Future and Stellar Lumens price prediction should analyze all possible scenarios, not only the positive ones. There are reasons Stellar could fail and go down as well. IBM can stop the partnership because of a self-owned solution. Lack of media attention in comparison to their competition, lack of well-designed marketing strategy, losing community support, potential vulnerability in protocol, failing to achieve anticipated minimum development activity on the protocol, failing to attract new developers to use their platform. Also, big total supply in combination with high yearly inflation, of around 39%, is a significant impediment for the token price increase. Can Stellar reach $1, $10, or $100? Well, since it already was almost on that level, seeing its all-time high reaching 93 cents during the 2017 crypto mania, clawing back up to that level is certainly possible. Reaching $10 is a stretch, not to speak about $100 or more, as that looks more like a fantasy than a realistic possibility. If XLM were to reach $10, that would mean an ascent of 90x, reaching well over $200 billion in market cap. We need to take its yearly inflation into account when calculating future market cap, as it is not a simple multiplication of current cap with 90. XLM reaching $100 is ludicrous. Is Stellar dead? No, as you can easily conclude from this Stellar Lumens price prediction article. Also, judging by the team activity on social media, GitHub, their own website, Stellar is far from a dead project. Their communities on Reddit and Telegram are also active, although with notably lower engagement levels compared to 2017. Coin is also still listed on all major exchanges, which indicates that XLM is far from a dead project. All of this summed up means one thing. XLM might live through couple of orchestrated and, for a regular trader, completely unpredictable pumps, but the majority of time will be murky sideways trading with small volume and no significant interest from the market. Price will heavily depend on what BTC will do, and since many analysts think BTC will not be making big moves in this year, it is hard to expect XLM will do them either. The price will probably stagnate and record slow-moving depreciation or appreciation depending on the team activity, potential technological breakthrough or high-level partnership. Let's see market prediction for Stellar Lumens, XLM, price 2021. Predicting token price is thankless task, it is not much different than gambling. However, people still gladly make their predictions and even more bigger pool of people search and read them. So here are a couple of independent sources and their musings about XLM price in this year. Wallet Investor XLM price prediction. Wallet Investor updates prices and predictions every 3 minutes using the latest technical analysis. They have moderately optimistic made an end-of-the-year forecast of 66 cents. Trading Beasts. The price forecast at Trading Beasts has been very optimistic for all the cryptocurrencies, and it's the same for XLM price forecast, too, predicting that Stellar could be worth 66 cents by the end of 2021. The team says that this can be achieved as long as there are no major security flaws and the overall sector performs well. Stellar price prediction 2023. Just like with 2021, XLM price in 2023 will heavily depend on what Bitcoin does in the meantime. Additionally, XLM will need to make breakthrough in the mainstream and find a real-world utility. In that case, get ready for the moon and 10x gains. Stellar price prediction 2025. XLM price prediction 2025 is not too different to the current year. It will heavily depend on the broader market movements. If we continue the bull run of 2021, Stellar future price will most likely smash resistances and record multiple new all-time highs. Stellar price prediction 2030. In 10 years, we could see a huge shift of the world's economy to blockchain run system. Should XLM actually be a thing in 10 years, it would most definitely be at least 100x more valuable than now minus $100 plus per token. Is Stellar Lumen good investment? Stellar is, just like all other cryptocurrencies, a risky investment. It does have higher probability of going up than down because of the deep pockets of Stellar Foundation and their tight connections with IBM. Is Stellar worth buying? We are advocates of moderately risky investing. Invest most of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 50%, 35% in a basket of big cap coins, like XLM, and the rest in small projects with huge upside. So, in this context, XLM is worth buying. Is Stellar an ERC20 token? No, Stellar has its own blockchain and is not connected to Ethereum. Can Stellar make you a millionaire? Yes, it can, if you own millions of XLM tokens. Right now, you would need around 12 million XLM tokens to be a millionaire. Even if it goes 10x, you would still need millions of tokens to be a millionaire in terms of USD. How much will Stellar Lumens be worth? For the short-term future, it is pretty safe bet that it won't cross above $1. At $1 per XLM, the market cap of XLM would be just under $18 billion, which is pretty unrealistic from today's perspective. Can Stellar Lumens be mined? No, Stellar is not a POW coin. Can Stellar Lumens reach $100? That is highly unlikely, as it would mean a price increase of 1500x over the current levels. Assuming the BTC XLM ratio stays the same, it would mean Bitcoin is at $12.5 million per coin. It is out of realm of rational prediction. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope it could be a big help to you. If yes, please hit the subscribe button to get such latest information about your favorite crypto coin first. What do you think about the Stellar price? Share your views in the comments down below. Don't forget to click the bell icon and participate in the giveaway, and thanks for watching.